It is hard to believe that I'm still getting peppers out of the garden. Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kathleen, and this is my Alabama farm life. Well, I still have a lot to do in my raised beds, and this is the one where I want to put my garlic seeds. Now, I've pulled out all of my cloth containers, and now I need to get in here and pull out all the weeds. The cloth containers that I had in here did a really good job of keeping down most of the weeds, but they didn't do a very good job of keeping out all the grass. I have a lot of grass that grew up from the sides, and they have just buried themselves deep in this soil, and I've got to get all this stuff pulled out. I really wanted to get out here the first of the week to get this done because it's been a little bit chilly, but after the weekend it's going to warm up again. So I think that's going to be the perfect time to get my seeds in, so I'm not too late. Well, I ended up having a little adventure at the first of the week. Usually I try to put out a video on Tuesdays and Fridays, and I had planned on doing my video Tuesday, actually this video. But Monday evening, I found out that one of my family members had an emergency, and they were going to be having surgery on Tuesday in Birmingham. So me and my mother-in-law, we got up early. We drove to Birmingham, and we stayed with our family member while they had the procedure done. And then we took them home and made sure that they had all their medication. But it made for a very long day. I was up at 6:30, and I don't think I got back until after dark, so it was closer to 7. So we were gone all day Tuesday. Wednesday, I was wiped out, and I started this video Thursday, but I got it finished this morning. So hopefully you enjoy it. And some of you may already know from previous videos, but every October I work at a haunted house. Now, we are on our second weekend going into our third. So far, we've only been open on Fridays and Saturdays, and not this weekend, but the next weekend is when it's going to get really busy. So just like the previous weekends, I work Friday night and Saturday night, and they're having a sorority night on Sunday, so I'll be working a couple of hours on Sunday too. Oh my goodness, do you see the roots on this grass? I think some people call it peanut grass. I don't know, but it is deep in this raised bed. You guys tell me what kind of grass you call this in the comments. So this is the bed that I grew garlic in last year, so I'm going to be growing garlic again this year. But I had some problems with it. It doesn't stay moist enough, and as I'm going through it, I'm finding a lot of roots. I think these are strawberry roots, because I did have strawberries in here at one time, but they did not do very well, and they all died. But the garlic did pretty good. They just didn't get as big as I would have liked them to have gotten. Now I do have 3 bags of soil, and I'm going to be adding them to this bed, but I feel like I need something else. I got peat moss last time, and I think I need to run down to my box store and maybe get a couple of bags of peat moss and some compost to go with this topsoil that I have here at the house already. I have found that this raised bed tends to be really dry, so I need to get something in here that's going to hold more moisture, and I have found out that peat moss works really well. Sorry about Rudy, but my mother-in-law has a carpenter at the house and he's getting some work done for her. But guys, look at these peppers. I've got a couple of good-sized peppers on these little bushes. They're jalapenos, but they are needing some water. I keep forgetting to water them. So after I get this bed cleaned up, that'll probably be the next thing that I do. Well, that was a major boo-boo. I just ended up hitting the roots to that pepper plant. And so I'm just going to cover it back up with soil and hope that it lives. And now I want to do a little garden tour, guys. This is my carrots. And as you can see over there on the side, I have a pumpkin plant that is growing. But so far, all I've seen is male flowers on it. So I don't think I'm going to get any pumpkins. It's probably going to get frosty here in the next couple of weeks. So definitely no pumpkins. And this is my tomato raised bed. I've got the red beefsteaks in here, and they are still producing tomatoes. But I need to get these out of here pretty soon because I want to plant some spinach and maybe some cabbage. Each year I try to plant the cabbage and hoping that we'll get one. But so far I haven't had any luck, but maybe this fall I'll have some luck. Then over here in my herb bed, I put several containers over here. I've got peppermint, asparagus, and then I have an empty one that I want to put some onions in. I've got a bunch of empty containers. I need to remix the dirt, put fresh dirt in there and some fertilizer, and then I'm hoping that I can get some more seeds started. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank everyone for all your support. I really do appreciate you. You guys have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video.